Maria tukuhariririe inoro miaraho. Arutwo atatu gukua noge gutigwo na nguraro mutino-ini wa barabara Kirinyaga. Murutwo wa secondary kuragwo ni muingi mwena wa Ndiani agikwirwo ni muici. Na twarithia anduthi mwena wa Laikipia gutetia mendekithia meru ma watho wa uramati wa anduthi.
Gatho cia mwanya mwiroreri ni kunyitana na ithu omothe miaraho ya tariki 24 mweri wa keri mwakani wa 2025 mani mohoro mainoro miaraho nie na nie njetago Kate Muthoni ta ucokeria ngatho na uhoto wa kuririkania no ukorwo ukitwirorera kuria YouTube live na uhoto andikire kuri SMS kuri 22488 na ro tukianjiriria mohoro maitu turajiria na report ya kieha kuria mwana kiomwe wa kirathi gia form 4 kuma itoreria msikiti Duru Diani county ni ya Kwale ni ahuritwo ni muigi ginyagia agakua gukirikana ni umwe wa mikora ya kuma mwena ucio kurarikana mwana kioyo araumite kugura irio cia hwaine mbere ya ashamanite na maramutharikire na kumuraga guku aikari makiuga ni mahitia manene kuona aria maroragwo ni aria matari na mahitia riri wiki nae wogerekete mwena ucio aikari moretio thuthuria wa naihenya utafanio niguo kumenya aria maragirire ngero eno kuona mwana kioyo ti muici.
Mtoto mdogo ambaye alikuwa anafanya mtihani wa form 4 ameuliwa bila sababu. Ameuliwa akiwa na kontena ya chakula kwa mkono. Ameuliwa hajashikwa na chochote cha uwizi kwenye mkono wake. Mimi naongea kwa serikali yetu hii ya Kenya. Je, sisi ama hawa vijana watasaidiwa vipi ama watatetewa vipi? Maana wale wanaokufa si wale wenye hatia.
Kwa hiyo ina maana tuna haki. Tafadhalini serikali, tunataka haki itendeke. Haki itendeke kiupande wote. Tupate wenye wamefanya hili tendo, roho zetu zirudi chini. Roho zetu sasa ziko juu. Ni bahati kubwa pia wameka serikali. Sasa ingekuwa kuna vitu vingine vimefanyika. Naomba serikali, tafadhalini, haki itendeke. Maana haviwezekani vitu kama hivi. Leo ni mwingine, kesho ni wangu, kesho ni wa mwingine, kesho ni wa mwingine.
Tokeo thuthuria wa ngereyo no gutafanio na ihenya tugithina mbere njamba iria ciarũĩrĩire wĩyathi wa bũrũri kuma kaunti itiganĩte o hamwe na ciana ciao ni moretie thirikari kumaririkana na kumariha hathareria matongirio makĩrũĩrĩra bũrũri rĩu moretie thirikari kumariha na mĩgũnda iria yegwatirio ni athũngũ na iria kandrathi yao irorete guthira niguo kunina minyamario iria makoretwo magĩtũngio magĩikara icagi-inĩ cia ũkoroni maugĩte mbeca iria ciarekereirio ni thirikari ya Ngeretha mwaka-ini wa 2013 cia kuriha minyamario ya njamba cia wĩyathi itire ciarĩ njiganu.
Hawa machamba ilikuwa yetu mĩgũnda ĩyo yarĩ itũ na nĩ gũtunywo twatunyirwo nĩgetha nengerwo athũngũ arĩku tondũ nĩ marũĩrĩire mbara ya mbere na makĩrũa mbara ya kerĩ. Koguo rĩ ithuĩ tondũ twarũire mbara ĩmwe ya kũigana bũrũri ũyũ witũ wa Kenya rĩ na tutietereire kurwa ringi. Koguo muthamaki witu amenye twina thayo muingi muno ona ria turamwira ni turenda kuhingirio ciiraniro citu.
2013 ni kure mbeca ciarihirwo na mbeca icio ciarihirwo only 5,000 people kana andũ 5,000. Undu mandenda kuria ni atiriri wiyathi ri waru ri andũ 5,000 aca tata Field Marshal Muthoni wa Kĩrĩma kana maitu arĩ gĩthaka na ndarĩhirwo mbeca icio tondu koni arĩhirwo ni ndi mwana wake ni ngĩamenyire.
Thirikari yetu ya Kenya ĩtũririkane nekire kirore kuvitukira kwe mutukufu rais wetu Ruto nigetha mavingie kiraniro kira kieranirwo tene nitutwire twetererete matuku mengi ona amwe ni akuo matigwo matibakiuragia makarivwari
No onjoria ao kui wa nduthi mwena wa Laikipia ya irathiro ni mareganite na mendekithia ma gucenjio kwa watho wa uramati wa nduthi maria matamanitio kana matanyitwo gutamanio bunge-ini ya Senate ni Senator wa Kakamega Boni Halwale. Mamwe ma mendekithia maya ni kugiria gukua makiria ma muthio umwe na nduthi gukiria kiro 50 o hamwe na kwaga gukua ciana iria wiki nduthi-ini. Githii wa Wairimo no twaririria ripoti ino.
Makiaria hindi ya mucemanio wao wa oro mwaka taunini ya Nanyuki, onjoria ya maugite mendekithia maya ti mathurime wega na no mende kugia na giikaro na atongoria ya matanahitukia watho uyu. Muikariri giti wao David Wambugu ni araganite na mendekithia maya akiuria bunge no kwamba kurugamia kuhitukia watho uyu nginya maiguanire.
Tutietikirania nayo na hani tondu ndokite ground kwamba guthikiriria andu a nduthi uria mangienda uria matangienda uria mangihota no nduria wene maiko makienda kana uria wira wao sector yao ya wira wao ko hana koguo mawatho macio tutirahoya thirikari yambe marore na ritho ringi o ginya ike public participation on the ground nigetha tuhote kumwira haha ni hagirire haha tiagirire tukuhota tutikohota.
Oho onjoria ya maugite watho uyu ungihituka waya kuhuthirwo uru ni aria makwihokerwo kuthingatithia ni amu gutigukorwo na ithimi cire na uiganania.
Tocio wa guthima kilogram kgs iria mundu abati gukua na nduthire thirikari no mwaka ikorwo na mubango mukinyaniru makona machini cia guthima tondu gutire ugiuka urugamie mundu wa nduthi umura mundu ukuite ri ni wa kilo 50 na gutie kindu kira kironania ni wa kilo 50.
Ni mendekithia matuthurite ndereti hiyo matura-ini ni amukui wa nduthi ni umwe uria uhuthagirwo muno ni Akenya guothe bururi-ini.
Mawatho ti moru ni mega no na magithondekagwo ri no mugakorwo mukiusia stakeholders nigetha mugakona na mawatho matarahinyiria muno uyu kana uri ungi.
Handu-ini ha Inoro TV ndi kaunti-ini ya Laikipia njitagwo Githui wa Wairimo.
Githui ni ripoti iyo. Gavana wa Meru Kawira Mwangaza ni atianiirie muhuhu wati ni kuri na mishemanio ratafanio ni gicunji kia atongoria a Meru niguo mathugunde uria manginyitana na munini wa president wa tene Rigathi Gachagua. Akiaria kaunti-ini ya Meru, Gavana Mwangaza augite muingi wa Meru uri thutha wa president Ruto na munini wake Kithure Kindiki na gicigo giki gitire na mubango wa gutirika thirikari. Miario ya Mwangaza yukite riri gukoretwo na mishemanio kihiri gatagati atongoria a kaunti iyo magicemania na atongoria ngurani. Muthenya wa Kiumia tariki 23 munini wa president wa tene Rigathi Gachagua ni acerete kaunti-ini ya Meru.
Sisi kama wananchi wa Meru tumesimama na rais wetu, tumesimama na Kindiki, ndio wako na maendeleo ya Kenya, ndio wako na maendeleo ya Meru. Lazima sisi wa Meru tusimame pale. We cannot afford kwenda upande wa opposition. Kwa sababu tukienda opposition tutapata nini? Opposition iko na nini ya kutupatia? Iko na barabara, iko na maji, iko na basari. There is nothing that we can get from the opposition. Kwa hivyo tunamhakikishia rais wetu wale ambao wanapiga makelele ni wanaume ambao walishindwa kura.
Na rimwira ready tukimurika uhoro uria urathi na mbere kwiyumiria ngucanio netumukite gatagati ga kaunti ya Nairobi na kambuni ya utambia wa thitima ya Kenya Power. Maafitha kaunti ya Nairobi rucini rwa umuthi maitire ihuba cia giko na kurugamia ngari cia gukua giko nja wa rigiriro ria wabici nene cia kambuni ya Kenya Power na ni thutha wa thitima kurengwo wabici-ini cia kanjo ya Nairobi ni undu wa thire wa shiringi bilioni 4.8. Neke tuthikiriria maria marathie na mbere kuhanika.
Filing an appeal. So as we speak today, there is no such case before the courts known to us. And this matter has been litigated. A ruling has been made. They owe us a duty of payment.
On the revenge speech,
those are diversionary tactics. Like I've said, when asked the debt we owe them, we have been on the table. We've paid as late as last Friday. We did pay as per the agreement we have of payment, the payment plan. We are adhering to the payment plan. If they come to us, we'll also give them our payment plan, and they adhere to it. So it's not a revenge. It's just the mode of doing business. Yes.
My name is Bradley. from Capital FM, you mentioned of there are payments that should be made in regards to as latest as Friday. Would you mind if you maybe tell us in terms of the exact amount that you paid? Because from their side they're saying you owe them a debt of 3 billion in terms of electricity bill.
I will request my Waziri for Finance because he's here. He's the one who actually received the demands, and he's also the one who pays. And he has been following through the payment plan we have with them. Actually, I'm shocked today they talk of 3 billion.
Well, I can confirm that there is no debt of 3 billion owed. It doesn't exist. I wish they could have supported it. That is a figment of imagination, and as I said, it is driving the narrative to show that Nairobi County is unresponsive and does not want to settle its obligations. The fact of the matter is that Nairobi County, at some point, noticed that some of the bills that it was being asked to pay were for meters that were not even within Nairobi County. There were meters in Turkana. There was a school in Embu. There are meters in Kisii. And we said we need to do a reconciliation. Where are these meters that you're talking about? And we formed a joint team, verified meter by meter, physically, until we found the meters. And then we said, now we can ascribe a bill to these meters that you're talking about. Incidentally, this bill that Kenya Power is owed by Nairobi City County, about 85 to 90% of it has to do with public lighting. It is the bills for the street lights. It's not the bills for City Hall. Neither is it for the annex, nor for our hospitals. This is public lighting. And remember, public lighting is also a security function. And so, even the national government needs to then begin to start asking, this public lighting bill that is very expensive, could they be able to also look at easing that burden? But the truth of the matter is, I challenge you to ask them to produce that 3 billion shillings. I think they were doing it for public sympathy, to make it look like we are non-responsive. Last Friday, we paid them 113 million, 113, and that was what had been agreed upon, and we have committed to continue paying. We are very pressed as a county. Sometimes we experience delays in release of our exchequer, but despite that, we still honor. Despite the fact that we have not received money from Treasury sometimes, we still honor. So I think there is no 3 billion. That I can tell you very clearly, and I would also like you to challenge them to clarify where they got that. But I think the issue, the reconciliation that we did came up with an initial figure of 1.5. And we said now we have to check meter by meter. But 1.5, we said, okay, that is our beginning point. Let's begin there. We will clarify, we will come to a final figure. But the issue, ladies and gentlemen, is way leaves. Should Kenya Power pay way leaves or not? The law requires them to pay. They have been trying to fight that using unorthodox means. They have gone to court. The High Court has told them to pay. They have gone to the Court of Appeal. They obtained an order staying us from collecting, subject to them filing an appeal. And because they got that stay 7 years ago, they have never filed that appeal. So as we speak, we have no order stopping us. Neither do they have any order allowing them not to pay. So the way leaves is something that should be straightforward. But I think the fear of Kenya Power is if we pay Nairobi, maybe other counties will also come and claim. But that is something that they should be willing to deal with, not to refuse. We have obligations to settle as well. Thank you.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. And I think we'll also give you copies of the statement we've read. And just
10 copies, so you'll have to
distribute amongst yourselves. But make Kenya Power know, pay utamu wa deni ni kulipa. Walipe.
Dawa ya deni.
Utamu, ndio utamu. Asanteni sana. Thank you.
Mweroreri nitogothie na mbere kurumira riboti ya ngucanio gatagati ga thirikari ya kaunti ya Nairobi o hamwe na kambuni ya Kenya Power na ni iguru ria thire urerikana ni wa bilioni 4.8 ntukora tukirumirira tukimenyekana wabici cia thirikari ni gukorwo igicokio thitima no tugithi na mbere anyitite miriu ni mathingatite thirikari gutigirira ni kuri na mathukuru maingi ma guthomithagia ciana iria ire na mawathe ngurani niguo makahota kwigwatira githomo niretana rikitio gukirikana gicunje kinene gia ciana iria ire na mawathe rimwe ni ciagaga kuona mweke wa mathomo amuti thukuru nyingi imetikagira na iria ire kuo igakorwo ire nini kwamukira namba yao yothe mwandiki wito Weru wa Mwangi niwe ina riboti ino makiria.
Thirikari ni uriti gutigirira ni yaka mathukuru maingi ma ciana iria ciri na mawathe matiganite niguo cikahotaga kuona kihoto giacio kia mathomo kiria kingicihotithia gucenjia miturire yao ya matuku-ini maroka. Royce Mukami kuma gikundi-ini kia Alekas niwe wikitie ritana riri hindi ya gikundi kiu gucera mucini wa ciana ciri na mawathe itura-ini ria Rwai.
Muno thirikari ciana icire na kihoto o ta mukenya uria ungi ni kuri mbeca makorogo matengete cia ware mafu no mateithagia andu aria mathiaga kwiyandikithia hari ciana ingi itangihota gukinya kuu kwiyandikithagio na ni nguhoya ruhonge ruria ruothe rurugamiriire mwena-ini wa ware mafu mageragie gutenga mbeca cia kuhota guka gucerera micii teno.
Ni kuna aciari aria mari na ciana ici ni moyaga ihinda inene mangikeyitikira ciana nyingi ni cirikanite ni cikoragwo cikiurwo ni mweke wa githomo.
Thirikari ingiofa irute cukuru na irute indo ta icio cia guteithagia ciana ta ici ni gukorwo ikite undu mwega muno na ega support foundation ta ici kana each and every county yake cukuru teno foundation yani cukuru teno ya guteithia ciana ici.
Aciari aria mari na ciana ta ici makiurio kwa gucihitha no indi meitikire na meyumirie thegia muthutukani uria matungagio amu kuri na honge nyingi iria cirumboyanagia na ciana ta icio.
Ndu mwega kugia mwana ugacoka ukona ati ena uremavu ugathii ukamute ugoka ukamutiganiria ona mbere ya maitho ma Ngai ni mehia.
Na ni nguthaitha muno muciari wothe uria hingeire mwana wake thiini wa nyumba ni tondu ni aciarirwo uguo aciarirwo ucio ni kiumbe kia Ngai murute kuri andu no gukura ngireho mucii toyo no ahote guteithikira kuo.
Anu Ashira murugamiriri wa mucio no uri ukoragwo na wathe akiuga ati ciana nyingi atwaragirwo ni borithi kuma kundu na kundu citiganeirio akiuga ati kurugamia mucii tocio ti undu muhuthu.
Ni maingi riria turarora ciana ici ciina mabataro maingi ta diapers, dawa, irio tonona ni mararia muno na ni marenda gutugwo na njira ya mwanya koguo maundu macio rimwe ni mahiana ta maratuhinyiriria especially thaici maundu Kenya ti mahuthu.
Grifotra ceceni ya Inoro TV ni njitagwo Weru wa Mwangi.
Regio Weru wa Mwangi ni riboti iyo. Arutwo atatu ni makwite na kiomwe akagurara kumana na mutino wa farafara urio hanikire utuku wa gukia Jumatatu farafara-ini nene ya kuma Kimunye guthie Gatuguru mwena wa Kabare Gicugu county-ini ya Kirinyaga kurerekana arutwo aya marari nduthine magithie mwena wa Gatugura riria maracemanirie na rori iria iraumaga mwena wa Kimunye na niho ngari ino iramaguthire na marakua hau umwe wao agitengerio thibitari-ini wa Kirugoya. Boni Wathuku no twaririria riboti ino.
Itu ria kihaniro rihumbite itura ria Kimunye Gicugu county-ini ya Kirinyaga thutha wa arutwo atatu gukwira mutino-ini wa barabara na uria uhanikite utuko wa gukia umuthi. Arutwo aya umwe wa kirathi gia form 2 na iria junior secondary kuma mwena wa Kimunye marakuanite na nduthio hindi iria mutino uyu urahanikire.
Lori kumete ya Rugongo ikurukite na mwana kame kumete ya Gatugura mambatite na be Brombox yuma mbere yao. Brombox leo ni lori bra yokite yorira na mwana kame siria terere lori ngari kare siria emabeba andu ne umabetuke iwana kama kathiko betuka masemeni na lori komo kimabura lori ile imumete no gongo toru imumete njirayo ongoro tinginya barori emabure mwena wa kwambata bandu bekubure mwena wa gwikuruka
kuringana na aria mareyoneire mutino uyu rori ene raumanite mwena wa Kimunye ikurukwite na Gatugura na kuria iracemanirie na arutwo na aria marakuanite na nduthi na kuria iramaguthina na kumoraga hau
na kuma na probox nayo ikwambatite rero ni rori yukite barabara gatagati probox yamba kwebera na mweme thutha meciria probox ringekera arutandu moka mabetuke na matuma mabate gutondo mangibonokire mathire makonanite na ndwe body visito ciena mabetia
Aikari makiuga ati haria mutino uyu urahanĩkĩire nĩ handũ hakoretwo harĩ ũgwati na kũrĩa morĩtie thirikari kũmekĩrĩra mĩhĩnga mwena ũyũ na nĩguo kũnyihia mĩtino.
Rĩu no twĩboe thirikari twĩna ma MCA twĩna ma governor twĩna ma senators na twĩna arĩa mangĩ no matwĩciria tũbuana aikari yake munye mabota gũtũthondekera njĩra ĩno ĩngĩ ũtheri na matwĩkĩre mbambu mwena ũyũ nĩgetha ciana citũ na to ciana citũ na rũciũ rũngĩ noka nĩ mũndũ ũrĩa ũngĩ na gũtĩ mũndũ ena muoyo gũkĩra ũrĩa ũngĩ muoyo nĩ ũyũ kwoguo no tũmeboe na gĩtĩo matuteithie tubuana aikari makundu kuriku.
Agĩkĩra ũhoro mũkonde komanda wa borithi Gĩcũgũ Johnson Mũkuha augĩte atĩ maafitha a borithi nĩ manjĩrĩirie ũthuthuria wa kĩrĩa kĩracũngĩrĩirie mũtino ũyũ.
Hao ni mojawapo wa wale wanafunzi ninao kule Kimunye Secondary School. Very sad story, very sad affair for the community because this would be the tomorrow leaders. Tutaweza kupata habari kamili.
Ohoreta na kũrĩa aciari nĩ rĩikĩtio na nĩguo matigakoragwo makĩnengera ciana ciao nduthi itakinyĩtie mĩaka na nĩguo kũgirĩrĩria mĩtino ta ĩno.
Ciana nini tikabewe boda. So as community leader we shall talk nĩtũkwaria maũndũ acu. Pero si nene na mũno thĩinĩ wa community tondũ nĩ andũ manini, nĩ andũ mena future, nĩ andũ tũgategemea rũciũ na tũtiagĩrĩirwo gũkorwo tũkĩruci ciana na rĩtio.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV kuma Kimunye Gĩcũgũ kaunti-inĩ ya Kirinyaga njĩtagwo Boni Wathuku.
Thengio Boni nĩ riboti ĩyo. Ihinda-inĩ rĩa mwĩroreri tũkwamba kũmũka o hanini tu ndũgathiĩ haraya twacokerere na mohoro mangĩ. Nitwacokereria tuthie na mbere na mohoro ma Inooro miaraho. Makiria ma atumia 50 kuma kaunti ya Meru nĩ macemanĩtie marĩ na muoroto wa kũmba gĩkundi kĩao kĩa atumia arĩa mathiĩte ritaya na kuhana ta mariganĩire matũra-inĩ. Maugĩte aingĩ ao nĩ macemanĩtie na moritũ matiganĩte kuona aingĩ marĩ na arata marĩ wĩra-inĩ. Ĩndĩ thutha wa kuma wĩra-inĩ ũcio kaingĩ nĩ rĩrĩa mekoraga marĩ na ihoru rĩa gũkorwo marĩ aika. Maugĩte mamwe ma maũndũ marĩa macemanagia namo nĩ kwaga ũrigiti mwega, ihoru rĩa gũtigana na arata ao ũndũ ũmwe na kũhana ta mariganĩire macoka na mĩciĩ. Oho makiuga gĩkundi gĩkĩ nĩ gĩkũmateithĩrĩria kwamũkĩra mathomo ma kũmateithĩrĩria ũrĩa mekũhota kũigithia kĩgĩna kĩrĩa mũndũ aheagwo atiga wĩra na njĩra ĩgwete.
Sababu zile kwanza zilifanya tukuja pamoja ni ile loneliness, kwa sababu tulikuwa tumezoea kuwa pamoja kazini. Wengi wetu tulikuwa tumeform zile vikundi za merry go round katika kazini. Ulikuwa na marafiki wengi ambao walikuwa wanakusunguka. Sasa wakati umetoka kazini, mahali umezoea for many years, ukikuja huku nyumbani, wengine wetu walikuwa wanafanya kazi mbali na nyumbani, unakuja kama mgeni.
Changamoto mingi tumepitia. Wengine wetu kama kwa medical cover inakuwa shinda kupata. Sasa tukaona pengine tukiwa na kama kikundi ya CBO tunaweza bargain, tuwe na bargaining power. Pengine tunaweza pata kama insurance hivi ya kuketa for the retired officers. Sababu wengine wanaenda wanakufa hata bila kupata medical mzuri, na hiyo ni changamoto.
Sasa tukasema tukuja pamoja, tunjijue na tuanze kukaa pamoja, tuweze kuendelea na mipango yetu ya kujiinua kimaisha. Katikati yetu kuna wale walitoka wakaenda retirement, hata hawakuwa na mpango watafanyia pesa ya retirement nini, hiyo pesa iliisha. Wengine hata hawakuwa wamejenga, wengine hata hawakuwa wamenunua hata shamba.
Na wanyiti itemi rũhonge-inĩ rwa waki wa nyũmba cia kwendio nĩ moretie thirikari kũmahotithagia gwĩthũrimaga o ene kamũira thirikari ĩingĩrĩire na kũmatacũkĩria makinya kambuni kana andũ kĩũmbe arĩa makoretwo makĩgunĩka makĩkungia a Kenya wara. Rungu rwa rũhonge rũrũ rwa waki wa nyũmba matongoretio nĩ Charles Nyandia, ene kambuni cia gwaka nyũmba maugĩte kambuni imwe nĩ ikoretwo igĩthũkia rĩtwa rĩa aki a manyũmba na njĩra ya kũhenia aigithia na thutha ũcio magacoka kũmatunya mbeca ciao. Akiaria ari mwena wa Ruiru kaunti-inĩ ya Kiambu, Nyandia augĩte kwĩna mĩeke mĩingĩ ya mawĩra kambuni ici ikoretwo igĩthondeka rũhonge-inĩ rwa mĩako na oho gũteithĩrĩria a Kenya kwĩgwatĩra nyũmba na thogora wa thĩ.
They never regarded the place of God in their lives. Jesus. All things consist. As here who have done some few months, they are what we learned about.
Hĩndĩ ciothe wanajia kũ invest wĩna itemi na wĩna ũigĩrĩrĩki
ria gwika utwiria ukamenya andu aria ura invest nao ri ni andu mahana ate. It's always good to engage even your legal team. Alafu ugacoka ukarora appetite yaku uria ihana depending totally utaithu twendagia nyumba imwe na ire ndeku ruguo mundu ndari na risk nene yake ya kuywo. So no njurie aigithia rimwe makageria kurora andu aria maradili nao na kana ni andu mangihokeka na mwacoka mugathondeka mutaratara ungihota gukuhonokia yo hana ta investor nigetha risk ciaku igakorwo ire nini.
Aingi mathiete na makahenio na magakorwo na horo ucio wa kurira angi nginya mendetie mbeca ciao ningi mera mehuge muno ni undu wa guthie kumetagwo angi marathie makahenia andu aingi na family ingi igathinika. Ni ngumuria muiro tware mbeca ciaku ni wega gukorwo na handu mundu ungihota gucakaria keri na ria gatatu ona kurumirira andu acio inagani niguo mutige gutembea cia.
Na kuongerereka kwa unyihu wa murutire o hamwe na magoti maria mathiete na mbere na kuongererwo kuri aria mari na wira ni imwe cia itumi iria iracungiriria unyihu wa andu aria maraigithia muthithu. Igongona-ini riria rirongoreirie guthomithia muingi uhoro wa kuigithia muthithu kaunti-ini cia Kajiado na Machakos. Aikari ni macakaite ni gukorwo kwa kiria marona na gukorwo ni maremetwo ni kuigithia muthithu. Wanjiku wa Mwihaki ni na riboti ino makiria.
Igongona-ini riri mwena wa Kiserian Kajiado, muingi ni uritio ugie na mutugo wa kuiga muthithu ona riria gutari na mbeca niguo kumahonokia riria matari na mbeca kaimana. Aria magwikinyitie makiuga ati thogora wa iguru wa muturire na magoti maria mathiete na mbere na kuongererwo ni mamwe ma itumi iria icungiriirie aingi ao kwaga mbeca cia kuiga muthithu.
Tuseme tu uchumi kwa ujumla imekuwa ngumu kwa kisasa, so manaka hata unaona kwa account unakuta account iko chini kiasi manake ya uchumi.
Wananchi tunaumia vingumu. Sasa sisi kama watu wa sehemu hii tunategemea ng'ombe, na ng'ombe zetu zilimalizwa last time na drought au wakati wa kiangazi, so sasa tunapitia challenge sana kwa kazi ya saving.
Riboti iria irekereirio ni ciama cia kuiga muthithu yonanitie ati wigi wa muthithu bururi-ini uthiete na mbere na gucoka thi.
We realize that the borrowing power of our members has drastically gone down, and perhaps the reason behind that it is because of the deductions that have been onboarded on the pay-slip, and therefore depending on the economy. We are also dealing with the business people. If the business is not doing well, if the economy is not behaving well.
Oho igongona-ini riri muingi ni uhinyiriirio kwihuga na mogwati maria mangiumana na kwaga gwibanga ta kuingihirwo ni meciria, makiuga kuiga muthithu umuthi no guteithie mundu rucio ona kwina moritu maria marikuo.
Katika hali tuko saa hii, najua kuna struggles za finances na imeleta watu kufikiria na kuleta mawazo mengi, na mtu anaangalia pesa hakuna, unakuta watu wana give up, wanafika mahali ya hata kutoa uhai wao. So ninaomba watu pia wawe na mipangilio mizuri, mikadirio mizuri ya pesa ili kuavoid mambo kama yale.
Ona kuri uguo muingi ni uretio gwikirira wigi wa muthithu ni amu ni kuhetukira njira ino mangihota gwibanga. Githomo ta giki ni gitafanitio mwena wa Kitengela na Loitoktok kaunti-ini ya Kajiado ona kaunti-ini ya Machakos. Geri Fotera, Inoro TV, Jetagwo Wanjiku wa Mwihaki.
Ege Wanjiku wa Mwihaki ni riboti. Na rutukirora mwena wa gicua-ini, President William Ruto na uria wari Prime Minister Raila Odinga ni magete na giikara mwena wa gicua-ini kuria maririre uria Kenya irekire githurano-ini kia muikarigiti wa Commission ya Urumwe wa Africa niyo AUC. Raila augite ni egukorwo akiaraniria na aria mamunyitaga mbaru niguo amenye mwerekera uria egukorwo akioya thutha wake kugwa githurano-ini kiu kia AUC. Tuthikiririe maria mathire na mbere.
Them that look, if we win in Addis, we will have succeeded. But if we don't win, if we lose, we will also have succeeded. Because we will have other jobs to do. We will come back home and do other things. So we have succeeded because we will now come back home to join you people here, back home. So I am very grateful to be back home. I want to thank again my brother, younger brother, President William Ruto, who stood by me. He never asked me to run. I announced myself that I was going to run for this position of chair of African Union Commission. And he only came after I made the announcement to say that he was supporting my candidature. And he did support my candidature not just by words, but by deeds. He put up the machinery to help the campaign for me. I've seen billions being said, quoted, somebody's talking about 13 billion shillings spent on the Raila campaign. I don't know which world those guys live on, whether they know what a billion means. A billion shillings to do what? The money that was spent was the money that was necessary just to hire transport to travel around. And we were not living luxuriously. We were eating whatever was given to us wherever we went to. And many other African countries were very generous. They provided us accommodation and so on. So, but the government gave what was required.
When Prime Minister Raila Odinga announced that he wanted to run for the position of Africa Union Commission chair, as president and leader of this country, Raila Odinga being a leader in our country and a candidate, I took the position that this was not about Raila Odinga the person, it was equally about Kenya the country. And we processed his candidature through cabinet, and cabinet took the decision that we were going to deploy support from the government of Kenya, as has been done before, to support the candidature of Raila Odinga. I am very proud that Raila Odinga put forth a formidable, serious candidature across the African continent. He was available for all the appointments that were made for him. He made journeys on air and on the road to different capitals, different cities, to canvass his candidature on his own behalf and on behalf of Kenya. His candidature brought all Kenyans together. I think his candidature attracted support from the different political sides, people in the opposition, people in government, everybody. We were united behind the candidature of Raila Odinga for the Africa Union Commission chair.
Thirikari ya kaunti ya Narok nĩ yũrĩtie aciari matige gũtigĩrĩra ciana nini iria ithiaga thukuru kũruta ibarũa rĩrĩa me mũciĩ nĩguo magĩe na kanya ga gũtherema gĩthomo-inĩ kĩao. Akĩaria mũcemanio-inĩ wa gũthũrima waki wa barabara ũrĩa ũrathiĩ na mbere gĩcigo-inĩ kĩa ũmbunge kĩa Narok ya ithũĩro, gavana wa kaunti ya Narok Patrick Ole Ntutu nĩahinyĩrĩirie aciari makĩria arĩa maumĩte icigo-inĩ cia ũrĩmi matigĩrĩre atĩ ciana itiraruta wĩra mĩgũnda-inĩ. Augĩte nĩ ũgwati mũnene na makĩria harĩ ciana cia airĩtu kuona aingĩ ao nĩ mohaga nda marĩ anini na matarĩkĩtie gĩthomo kĩao.
Tuko na challenge kubwa kwa sababu sehemu hii ni sehemu ambayo inatumika sana sana katika ukulima, na watoto ndio wanatumika sana sana na wazazi, either kwenda kwa shamba ama kubaki nyumbani kwa sababu ya hiyo hali ya kuchimbua, kupanda na saa zingine hata kupalilia viazi. Kwa hivyo sisi kama shule ama kama mwalimu mkuu tumeweka mikakati ambayo tunajaribu kuhamasisha wazazi na washikadau wote ili kuhakikisha kwamba wanafunzi wote wako shule kila wakati kwa zile wakati ambao watoto wanatakiwa shuleni. Ya pili ni kwamba ni kuelimisha pia watoto umuhimu wa masomo ama zile faida ambayo elimu inaleta. Hizo ndizo mikakati ambazo tunaweka ili kuona kwamba watoto wote wako shule kila wakati.
Ile uchunguzi tumefanya ni kwamba watoto wengi wanafanya kazi inaitwa child labor, na hiyo haitakikani katika Kenya yetu. Ukianza kuonesha ati kuna pesa iko kwa shamba, ina kwamba atasahau mambo ya shule na aende sasa akae kwa mashamba. Na hii watoto ukiona hapa wanataka wakati mzuri. Mkiona sisi viongozi tunajenga hizi madarasa, tunafungua hizi mabarabara, ndio watoto wetu wasome, ili hata sisi kama jamii ya Wamasai na zile jamii zingine ziko katika kaunti yetu waweze kwenda mbele na masomo kama kabila zingine. Sasa tukianza kufanya child labor, watoto wetu wanaumia. Wale watoto ambao hata karibu wafika standard 8 wanapata mimba ya mapema, wanaolewa mapema, hiyo hatuwezi kubali.
Hanini niturashokereria tuthie na mbere na mohoro. Nitoshokereria mwiroreri tumurike kuria iharo-ini kuria timu ya thukuru wa Olympic ya imwana na iretu nirekire wega thiini wa mbitika cia muthako wa ikabu cia athaki aria marethegea iria irarugamirirwo ni kambuni ya Safari na iria irathaganirwo thukuru-ini wa Sabis International guku Nairobi. Hari mashindano maya maria maraguciririe arutwo 500 kuma mathukuru 24. Ngucanio ya final ya arume timu ya St John irafungira Olympics na ikabu 17 kwa 14 guku Makini School ikiganania na namba ithatu thutha wa kuota Harambee na ikabu 23 gwa 10. Thukuru wa Olympic niguo ukinye finals waigire nja arunao a Harambee na ikabu 15 gwa 6 hari ngucanio ya semi-finals guku St John ikianura Makini School na ikabu 16 gwa 14. Na kwa mwena wa iretu timu ya Olympic irahotire St John na ikabu 25 kwa 3 na kuinukia uhotani guku timu ya Daima ikiganira na namba 3 thutha kuota Crisco na ikabu 13 gwa 5 hari ngucanio ya gwetha muhotani wa namba 3 na 4. Na mwiroreri hau ni otukorwo tugitirihira mohoro maitu ma Inoro miaraho tugacokeria ngatho ni unyitaniri waku na inyu mwakorwo mwitwirorera kuria YouTube live mutongoretio ni Zabron Njogu na Faith Muturi, Margaret Gathoni, John Boro, Kim George o hamwe na Susan Jerry na Francis Kenodia na Yusuf Mohamed. Tukamucokeria ngatho inyothe mwatwirorera mohoro maya na mangi maingi ni mohoro-ini maitu maria makurumirira koguo tucemanie ciehanda thaa 10 gikurehera matemo ni Kate Muthoni.